In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Airtm to Google Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily transfer any amount of money from your Airtm account into Google Pay. It is a withdrawal method directly built into Airtm, so you can choose Google Pay and specify your account credentials to make this transfer. To start, go over to Airtm and choose the option to withdraw your funds. Once you select withdraw, you will be redirected to this page where you can choose from where you will be withdrawing your funds. You will see how much you have on your account at the moment, and finally the destination. So use the search function here and look for Google Pay. Make sure that you type out the full name. So type Google and it should appear here. So you will have Google Pay, INR, USD, and even Google Play. The ones that we are looking for will be these ones at the top, so you can choose any of them. Be aware of the fees included, and when you select any of these Google Pay, deposit, or rather withdrawal options, you will be able to choose if the deposit is going to be to your account, and then input the user ID from Google Pay. If you don't know this, open Google Pay, go to your account page, and it is going to be listed there. Once you have your user ID input here, you can specify the amount, confirm the request, and you will receive the money directly on your Google Pay account from Airtm. So super simple. Google Pay is accepted natively, and it is always going to be listed under the withdrawal methods available within Airtm. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.